Biological evolution in Asia. Have you ever wondered where we came from or how did the first human created? Well, we believe in three perspectives. They're mythological, biblical, and scientific. First, mythology. In our country, we believe to an alamat called Similkas at Simaganda. But in other countries, they have their own folktale or legend or alamat about the origin of man.
Second is biblical. According to the Bible, the first man was created out of dust by God. Then the women were created out of ribs of the man. And according to the Bible, the first man and women are Adam and Eve. Lastly is scientific. Scientists believe in a theory of evolution. It is that life on Earth originated from a simple cell from which different life forms emerged and multiplied.
And according to Charles Darwin, organisms undergo process called natural selection. They need to adapt to specific and useful characteristics for survival. He even made a book or a novel entitled On the Origin of the Species by Means of Natural Selection by 1859. Biological evolution of humans. Humans evolved biologically to enable them to survive, reproduce, and perpetuate their species.
But there are different stages of evolution. There's Australopithecines and Homos. Australopithecines. Australis meaning south and Pithecus meaning ape. They're believed to live by 5.3 to 1.6 million years ago. Their skull is just a bit larger than that of gorillas and they have a flat nose, large teeth, long arms, and small sized feet.
Homos or meaning man. First is Homo habilis, or sometimes called the handyman. They were believed to live from 2 to 5 million years ago. They had the ability to use and manufacture stones, tools, and motor abilities. They also had the ability to hold and create things. Also, they're 3 to 4 feet tall.
Second is Homo erectus or the upright man, because it is assumed to have walked upright on 2 feet. They're skilled in the use of fire and they use cave as a dwelling place and hunted for food. They're believed to live by 1.8 to 300,000 million years ago. They're 5 feet tall, low, broad, elongated skull and large jaw. Third is Homo sapiens, or the thinking man. They use symbols to communicate and know for their walls paintings found in caves in Spain and France. Aside from their other engraved art forms, they made and used much development stone tools. Homo sapiens was believed to live by 120,000 years ago, and their skull is larger and rounder. Their teeth and jaws are smaller than their brain is larger than the present day of human.
Though they may seem very convincing, Darwin's theory should never be taken as absolute truth. Scientists have accepted the idea that modern humans descended from Homo sapiens, and the question still remains the same: who's your daddy?